Here are mental health tips that I share with my counseling clients, and I hope makatulong din po sa atin who are watching this video. First is make sure po na we have enough sleep and also aim for quality sleep. Ang tulog po ay hindi pwedeng i-separate pagdating sa mental health. Talagang crucial po yan. In fact, isa sa mga symptoms na common sa mga mental health conditions or disorders like depression, anxiety, sometimes even bipolar disorder, or even schizophrenia, and even a whole chunk po of sleep disorders. Yan po yung mga common concerns na link pagdating po sa area ng sleep. So I really encourage us na if hirap po tayo sa pagtulog, hindi tayo nakakakuha ng tamang tulog, I really hope that we consult a professional or even read up on sleep hygiene. Okay, I'm gonna share separate videos and then of that, in time to come. But second area din na gusto ko pong i-remind tayo is in the area po of diet and nutrition. Okay, and that's something also that I need to remind myself, and actually all of us need to be reminded in that. Ang question that I ask in therapy is how is the client's appetite. Hindi po tayo pwedeng again mag-aim for mental health, optimal mental health if we are not eating. Or syempre depende rin sa kinakain natin, yung nutrition na nakukuha ng katawan natin. So aim for that, and if suddenly walang ganang kumain or even kain ng kain, o minsan kumakain tapos gustong isuka or gustong ilabas, ayan, kailangan po natin to really get that checked kasi hindi rin po yan maganda. What we are hoping for is, yung diet, yung nutrition is adequate or tama, sakto para po sa pangailangan ng ating, not just ang ating katawan, but also our brains. Pangatlo po is in the area of exercise. Yan. We will not have optimal mental health kung hindi rin po tayo nag-exercise. Bakit? Ang exercise po ay nag-release ng mga positive hormones, magagandang hormones sa ating katawan. And it also helps us, to boost our energy. Kaya importante po na we really plot that in our schedule, include that in our activities so that hindi po natin siya ma-neglect. Isa sa mga sinasuggest ko po sa clients is even brisk walking. It's a very positive mental health exercise na pwede nyo pong gawin anytime. And it is a bilateral stimulation. The alternating movements po ng katawan is also very good for our brain function. And also, ang last na gusto ko pong i-remind tayo is in the area of social support. Mahirap po na magkaroon ng optimal mental health if we are really isolating ourselves. Meaning, tayo lang, wala tayong kinakausap, wala tayong na kukunan ng support. And isa po yan sa indication, with clients who have a very good social support outside the therapy session. Yan po yung mga tao na talagang makikita mo yung mas maganda, mas mabilis yung magiging progress nila. And so I encourage us in the area of mental health to also build strong social support. And I'm gonna do separate videos on what kind of social support are we aiming for. But as a start, is a reminder to just build even 3 or 4 quality relationships that we feel safe, and also these people are able to tell us things that we need to give us encouragement, but also, a little bit of nudge, konting push to really change for the good sa mga areas that we're working on. Okay, so 4 simple, very basic, but very important mental health tips. 1 is in the area po of sleep. Make sure you have enough sleep. 2 is in the area of nutrition, watch on your appetite. And then 3rd is in the area of exercise. And last is in the area of social support. God bless, and thank you for watching.